everybody. The name of our website is Computer Science Opportunities Portal for undergraduate Pakistani students. Pakistani students can connect with each other, they can learn and apply to different scholarships, and they can definitely win those scholarships by interacting with each other and giving each other valuable tips. So this is our interactive login page. You can directly log in from here, or you can check the About Us page. The About Us page basically describes our team, who we are, what do we like to do. My name is Fiza Ruhil and I have 3 other talented team members, Ayman Hassan, Waqar Ahmed and Azan bin Zahid. Rauf Rajar is our amazing and supportive PA. So if you click on our pictures, you'll be able to see what each of us has been working on. So yeah, once you're done looking at this, you can directly log in from here. So once you're logged in, you'll be able to see the message board chat. The message board chat basically displays all the messages. It's meant to be a space where students can network with each other, help each other out, make useful conversations, and you'll be able to see the first 20 messages on the first page. But if you want to see the older ones, you can click on the buttons over here. So yeah, that's how you'll be able to see the older messages. And a total of 100 latest messages will be viewable, and you can navigate using the buttons over here. A maximum of 5 buttons would be displayed. There's also search functionality. For example, if I want to search Fiza in the messages and I click on the search button, I'll be able to see the matches made. So yeah, 2 matches were made and they're being displayed over here. So now I'm just going to test by writing something out. I'm going to write, so excited to share our website. And now I can upload a picture. I can choose the picture. So yeah, once that's done, I can submit it. And it's going to take a bit of time, but once the upload is complete, you'll be able to see it over here. So yeah, your message just got posted, and once you're done with that, you can just talk to people, kind of help each other out, give each other tips. So that's the whole idea of message board chat. So once you're done exploring the message board chat, you can check out the opportunities and scholarships available by the opportunity panel. So for example, the first opportunity is Google Women Tech Maker Scholars Program, and you'll be able to see the scholarship details, the picture, about one picture of it, and the eligibility criteria, the apply link. If you click on this button, it will redirect you to the website where you can directly apply. So this is the deadline and everything. So yeah, it's this being displayed over here. So there are 3 main types of scholarships: the active ones, which you can apply to, and the archived ones are the ones whose deadline has already passed, and the recurring ones are the ones that occur every year, right? So you can see there are a variety of scholarships over here. So you can either click on any one of them. For example, I want to click on the GHC one, and yeah, it will show me the whole scholarship details and everything. And for example, I want to search she loves tech scholarship, right? And in archive ones, no matches. Active ones, none either. In the recurring ones, oh wow, so yeah, it makes a match, and you can view this view the scholarship over here, and then again you can apply to it directly. Once you're done exploring the opportunities and applying for them, you can click on the menu and go towards the opportunity maps to see where each opportunity is located. From these maps, you'll be able to see the places where each opportunity is located. For example, Google Women Tech Maker Scholar Program is located over here. The test one is located here, and She Loves Tech Global Startup is in Florida. So yeah, that's how you can use the map to see the locations. So once you're done exploring this as well, you can either go back to the message board chat or the opportunity panel, or just keep exploring maps, or you can log out. So once that's done, you can log out. So once you log out, the index page will appear, the basically our home page will appear, and yeah,